Now I would like to call upon Housemaster Tilakhouse, Shriman Kumar sir. We give a very moment. Not a single academic day passed without his being present. Secured first rank for consecutive 5 years. Best cadet for 2 years. Captain school football team, basketball, hockey, and a good cross country runner. And the list goes on. Bacha of 6 packs and the back of all all-rounders. When he gives speech, all the house fall with wide mouth open. Thus, he is the role model of all, but believes in superstition. He comes the Mr. Perfect of the batch, Cadet Kaushal Kumar.
Good evening, everybody. Every team needs a leader who would lead his team to victory, and thus this cadet really fulfilled the meaning of the word leader. Being best leader in the ring aims to dominate the ring of the NDA and wants to represent the Indian Army in the Olympics. A motivating factor for the juniors and loved by the batchmates. Here comes the house captain of the Tigers gang, gentleman cadet Sanket Javade. A favorite of all the juniors and one of the heart-winning charm of the bat. Leaves the audience speechless and question mark. Academic is his key strength and a good basketball player on the court as well as off the court. Ironically, football runs in his blood. Wins. So any guess? Okay, the guess is right. It's only about the mess, and here comes the Messi of our batch, Cadet Rushi, who discovered the Bhagat pathway in Adam of Tigers Den. Please welcome Cadet Rushi Jadhav. A fan of Ronaldo, plays like Ozil, a unique English speaker. The guy with a smiling face, motivated to win every race. On the track and field, he has a good pace. For me and us, he is always Abhishek. So please welcome Cadet Abhishek Patil. No battery and cell can make him fail. With a screwdriver, always removed, not a single switchboard. He left unscrewed. Made an induction fan and did not fry. Scientist was born and scientist shall he die. Here comes the budding scientist of our batch, Cadet R. Gangavne, R for originating Ravi Kiran. The journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step, is what this boy believes in. Any distance for him is too short to cover. Believe in hard work as a good consoling attitude and a great respect for the Indian Army. So here comes the Josh machine for the juniors, Cadet Avinash. Phenotypically, he is the oldest, but genotypically youngest of the batch. Till then, he was the most mature of the batch. Die hard to join Indian Air Force as a pilot. Ideal of the juniors, a good orator and a good basketball and water polo player. Fan of the Michael Phillips, here comes the Cadet Piyush Gowde. has starting speed more than his riding speed on the road. Believes in only two things, पढ़ाई और प्यार. Here comes the singing crew of the batch, Cadet Sridhar. He likes football, loves cycling and trekking, interested in art and most importantly, a dancing legend of our batch. Here we welcome Prabhu Deva of our batch, Cadet Dhanraj. He is champion on football ground, gold on the track, has endless stamina and carries his lucky number 4, as he stood 4th rank for the consecutively 4 years. Tried out his hand in possibly every games available in the school campus. A role model for the juniors and believes in his own strength. So please welcome Cadet Parveen, the Milka Singh of our batch. Though he stays anonymous all around him, he is ideal of almost all the juniors. Academic is his key strength. If he is not in the dorm, you would find him in the prayer. Favorite of Surwani and Shivanshi sir, and shares gold chapati with us on every book out. So please welcome Cadet Utkarsh. In 1900, first five-star hotel was built in India. In 1947, India got independence. In 1983, Kapil Dev won the World Cup, and in 1998, this angel was born. Loves and admires cricket to his best, and also follows the legends like Sachin Tendulkar and Virat Kohli. But he adores the two heroic warriors of Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. He would often solve the problem of topic duty in the assembly, uploaded in the school as Kapil Nagade, but could be downloaded as Bharat Nagade. Any guess? He is natural on the hockey ground, a good orator and has a good bat spirit, along with good dance moves. He is a good cross-country runner and has good pace and stamina and on and off the track. Here comes the Mufera of our batch. Any guess? From? Yes, it's Pratik Yadav. He is a good dancer and is a specialist of slow motion. A favorite of all the juniors and a good Marathi speaker. Plays hockey and is a great fan of Dhanraj Pillai. Won every game in the school under his captaincy. So please welcome a member of BMW. Can you guess what the BMW stands for? Yes, correct. It's Power Mandal Warriors. So please welcome Cadet Krishnesh Patil. He is a good cross-country runner and favorite of Mrs. M.S. Kulkarni madam. And he is a good volleyball player. He is very much friendly with the juniors, a motivating factor for them, and a source of inspiration for everyone who is studying night after the roll call. So please welcome 5446 of our batch, Cadet Praveen Patil. A very cool, calm and a talented personality of our batch. Has a good sense of cooperation and temperament. Always helped and supported the needy one. And dreams for singing and English song in Los Angeles. Any guess? Yes. Here comes the only girl of our batch, Miss Kathy Desmond. Thank you, sir. At last, before leaving this podium, I would like to read out a poem based on the life of 7 years of science school. 7 साल की ये जिंदगी न जाने कैसी चली गई, कौन क्या जाने बुरी गई या भली गई। क्या पल था वह जब हम नए आए थे, एक साथ बैठकर जब पहली बार खाना खाए थे। कभी हंसते थे, कभी रुलाई आती थी, डंडे तो सह लेते थे, पर यहाँ पर तो हॉकी स्टिक घुमाई जाती थी। मरते थे हम फिर भी अपने आप को मर्द कह लेते थे। जैसे जैसे सैनिक स्कूल की जिंदगी बढ़ी, तब मालूम चला कि सामने एक और मुसीबत खड़ी। वो पल, वो लम्हा तो याद कभी न भुला पाऊंगा। तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। अब तक तो स्कूल की हर चीज लगी प्यारी थी, जूनियर हाउस के बाद अब सीनियर हाउस की बारी थी। न जाने कब और क्यों हमारी जिंदगी में वह पल आया, आते ही आते जब अपने सीनियर हाउस में रगड़ा खाया। हम क्या करें और कब करें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था। सामने हमारा हाउस कैप्टन खड़ा घुरा रहा था। पूरे दिन हम लोगों को किक लगाते और शाम को हमसे ही चपाती मंगवाते। लगता है तुम्हारे बिना एक पल भी न रह पाऊंगा। तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। वो यादें, वो वादे, वो कस्में कैसे पूरी कर पाऊंगा मेरे दोस्त। तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। वो सुहावनी रातें, रातों में पड़ी लातें, वो बाहर को जाना, बटर चिकन लाना, वो हंसते हुए पल, वो रोते हुए कल, वो डिनर को न जाना, फिर हाउस में मैगी बनाना, वो चुपके चुपके रात में मोबाइल चलाना, वो बुकआउट को जाना, फिल्में देखकर आना, फिर आपस में दूसरे को चिल्ला चिल्ला के चिढ़ाना। ये सारी यादें हमेशा गुनगुनाऊंगा। तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। कहने को तो बहुत कुछ होगा और कुछ भी ना कह पाऊंगा। तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। हमको क्या पता था कि जिंदगी ऐसी भी होती है, रुला रुला कर हमारा बुरा हाल बना देती है। पहले तो यादों में, अब नींदों में भी सताती है। दाई आंख को रोकता हूँ तो बाई आंख भर आती है। किस कदर मैं आपको छोड़ के जा पाऊंगा। एक बात कहूँ आपसे, तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। तुम लोग आपस में मिलोगे पर मैं कैसे जी पाऊंगा। तुम याद बहुत आओगे जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगा। थैंक यू।